The fate of the budget smartphones has been changed in the recent past thanks to the heavy competition. One cannot deny the fact that the quality of the budget smartphones is on the rise with an efficient processor, good build quality in contrary to the smartphones that got launched a couple of years back. Apart from the other OEMs, the e-commerce giants including Flipkart and Amazon made its debut in the smartphone market under a different name with the consumer behavior backing to that advantage. While Flipkart launched Capture Plus smartphone, Amazon on the other side joined hands with XR to launch its third smartphone in the Indian market dubbed as XR-D. This very smartphone is in the same league as the Xiaomi's Redmi 5A. Today, we have the XR-D smartphone for unboxing in our studio. Having said that, we have its competitor Redmi 5A for comparison as well. This is Vignesh from FoneArena and let's dive into it. Here's the box as you can see. The color scheme in this package is similar to that of other XR phones. Today, we have the XR-D smartphone with 3GB of RAM and a 32GB of onboard storage in beyond black color. Cutting off the seal, sliding it out, we have the device wrapped up in a plastic cover. Keeping it aside, we have the quick start guide, SIM ejector tool, micro USB cable and the wall adapter. For your information, this adapter does not support fast charging. So these are the inbox content of the XR-D smartphone. Let's switch on the device and have a closer look at it. The device of the smartphone looks minimal and nothing extraordinary. It has a polycarbonate unibody and in turns it feels solid when held in hand. The front side of the device has a bigger bezel equipped with an earpiece, notification light and a 5MP front-facing camera on the top. The bottom bezel has nothing to it and as a result we get on-screen buttons. The right side of the device has the power button and a volume rocker, while the left side has the SIM tray with the dedicated microSD card slot as well. On top, we have a 3.5mm headphone jack and a secondary noise cancellation mic, and at the bottom, we have the microSD port and a primary microphone. Turning it back, we have a 13MP rear camera with single LED flash and a fingerprint scanner just beneath it. The XR-D smartphone sports a 5.2-inch display and it is pretty decent at this price point. This device is powered by quad-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 425 chipset clocked at 1.4 GHz. It comes in two variants, one with a 2GB of RAM and a 16GB of onboard storage, and the other is a 3GB of RAM and a 32GB of onboard storage. As we mentioned above, we got hold of the latter. Out of 3GB of RAM, we got around 1.8GB free on the first boot, and out of 32GB, we have 22GB on board free storage. The XR-D runs on Android 7.1.2 Nougat with an update due to the Android Oreo in the near future. As we mentioned earlier, the Redmi 5A is in the same league as the XR-D. However, the XR-D is quite thick at 8.9mm and weighs around 150 grams. Having said that, it lacks an ambient light sensor, so there is no auto-adjusting brightness, but it offers a fingerprint scanner as a compensation at this price point, which the Xiaomi Redmi 5A lacks. Apart from this, the XR-D gives a neck-on-neck competition with the Xiaomi Redmi 5A with almost similar specifications. The XR-D is powered by 3500 mAh battery rated to deliver up to 2 days of battery life, 10 hours of web browsing and up to 25 hours of talk time as per Amazon. The XR-D comes in beyond black and AIM gold colors and is priced at Rs 4,999 for the 2GB RAM version and 5,999 for the 3GB RAM version, and will be available exclusively on Amazon starting from January 5th. So this is it guys for the unboxing. Do hit the like button, share and subscribe.